Hello, art enthusiasts and creators. Now let's unveil the top 3 AI art generators in 2024 that are pushing the boundaries of digital creativity. Make sure to check the links in description. Here is best 3 AI art generators online. Number 1, Dall-E 2. Leading the charge is Dall-E 2, an evolution in AI art. Developed by OpenAI, Dall-E 2 takes inspiration to the next level, generating unique and surreal images. Whether you're an artist or just looking to explore the extraordinary, Dall-E 2 is a must-try. Number 2, Starry AI. Next up, we have Starry AI, a celestial addition to the AI art scene. Starry AI uses advanced algorithms to create mesmerizing and dreamlike artwork. From galaxies to fantastical landscapes, Starry AI brings your imagination to life. Number 3, NightCafe. Completing our trio is NightCafe, an AI art generator that captures the essence of the night. With its focus on nocturnal scenes, NightCafe produces visually stunning artwork that evokes a sense of mystery and wonder. In conclusion, Dall-E 2, Starry AI, and NightCafe stand out as best free AI art generators. Ready to embark on a journey of digital artistry? Explore these tools and let your imagination run wild.